Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use power mode into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. You just simply come over your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for settings. After that you will get an option called personalization and at to the left side, and then if you click on that then you'll get an option called lock screen. If you click on that then you'll get an option called screen timeout. If you click on that then you'll get an option called power mode into the bottom of screen and sleep. If you click on that, you can see there is quite three options called best power efficiency, balanced and best performance. So if you selected best power efficiency, it will decrease your battery. So if you are using a laptop or if you're using a PC, a high-end PC, then you should leave it as best power efficiency. Or you are using a mid-range, then click on the balanced. Or if you want to get the best performance, if you're using a cheap end PC, you just need to select this best performance. So this is how you can use power mode into Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.